Hi everyone, how are you? This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be reviewing Fiverr Profits Academy. So Fiverr Profits Academy is a launch that is going live on July 19th at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, being launched by David Mills. David Mills has been using Fiverr, making money on Fiverr for years. So he has almost a 3-hour multi-video step-by-step guide to help you find the good gigs, the high-paying gigs that you can make a lot of money on Fiverr. Also how you can autopilot those less expensive, less high-value gigs, so you don't have to just spend a lot of time on that. So guys, there is a lot of information in here, a lot of value for this, and if you want to be looking at maybe an idea to make extra money on the side, Fiverr is a very viable way that you can do that. So guys, let me take you first to my bonus page here. So this is going to come down at 11 a.m. on July 22nd. So you still have quite a few days to get this, guys. Okay, so we have the Fiverr Profits Academy, your step-by-step guide to becoming successful on Fiverr. So we've got 5 days. Now, what is a Fiverr Profits Academy all about? So it is, like I said, premium training. So all experience levels are welcome, but if you're new, this is definitely a system and a product that can help you make money very quickly online. So 2 hours and 45 minutes of pure gold. This course is packed with several ways to profit from Fiverr. Nothing is left out. So guys, Fiverr, you can use your skills and your services to make just about anything to make money online. So they're going to show you a lot of different ways that you can do this, all right? Now, 20 video lectures. Each student gets instant access to 20 videos, taking them by the hand and showing them exactly what to sell on Fiverr. So a lot of free YouTube videos are going to show you how to create a Fiverr account, maybe how to find 1 gig. This is going to go do a deep dive into it. And if you're very new, you don't even have your account, you're a little bit apprehensive about making money online, how to do it, the first steps, what do I do? He's going to take you step by step from level 1 all the way up, okay? So don't worry about that. Refreshing and unique, unlike any other Fiverr course that has ever been launched on Warrior Plus. And there is secret software. Each person will learn the software that he uses daily to deliver his gigs fast to his customers. Okay, so they will think, why didn't I think of that? Actionable and realistic. No promises to become a millionaire overnight in this course, but if you follow these steps and you just rinse and repeat, you can do very, very well. I'm going to show you his analytics, what he's made in 2020 and 2021 working on the side, some good money, okay? So the price on the upsells, the main front end is at 17, so you're gonna get all that information listed up here, okay? Now, the platinum method is 27, however, I don't really know what that is. So the information I was given in this doesn't list anything about the one-time offer. So guys, I would like to tell you more about it. I'm sure it's probably got a lot of extra information, probably coaching, more videos, more secret and more underground ways that he's not giving in the front end that you're going to get in the one-time offer. However, I can't go into specifics. I'm sorry about that. It's not there at the moment. Okay guys, so let me show you my bonuses are going to complement this course, the Fiverr Profits Academy. So my first one, guys, is the IG Traffic Monster. So if you want more people knowing about what you're doing, your services, how you can help them, Instagram is one of the best ways that you can do that. It's free for one, and there are millions and millions and millions of people using it. So this is going to show you how you can get out there, you can get eyes on your product, on your services for free, okay? And this is done in a very clean, easy step-by-step system that you can follow, and you can also reap the rewards as a way of me saying thank you for using my affiliate link if you decide to buy Fiverr Profits Academy. So if you do, you can just click on any of these yellow buttons here, okay? and it's going to take you to my bonus page. So here it is, okay? And you're also going to be able to get, of course, the course here as well. Okay, guys, my second bonus is 6 tips to writing headlines that sell. So if you're going to be doing Fiverr, you have to stand out from your competition. One way to do that is to write engaging headlines, things that make the people's eyes go on what you are talking about, not your competitors in your same market. This is going to show you 6 ways that you can rise above your competition. Very simple little hacks, okay? And the next bonus, guys, profit on autopilot. So you're going to be doing some legwork in the beginning, but then once it's all done, you can reap the rewards. So this isn't Fiverr related. This is more with affiliate marketing and selling things online. So there is a bit of a similarity, but it's more of just setting it up online. So you're going to be learning about getting traffic, a capture page, a front end offer, and then the back end offers are very, very powerful. You could have a front end offer that is free just to get people interested, and then they click on your back end offers, and that's where you can make some money. It's also going to talk about getting subscribers. So if you're going to be doing things on Fiverr, you want that subscriber base, you want that knowledge of how to keep subscribers, keeping them coming back to your service, what you provide, not your competitors. It's going to talk about free traffic sources and paid traffic sources. So there's a lot of valuable information in this bonus for you. And my fourth bonus, guys, is 7 tips on how to have YouTube authority. So again, you can be promoting yourself, promoting your services, promoting what you do on Fiverr via YouTube. This is going to show you how you can outrank, again, the people in your niche, the people in your competition. So again, some simple tips, but very, very powerful. And again, a way of me saying thank you for using my link here, any of these yellow links, guys. And my 5th and final bonus for you is a CPA secret sauce. So CPA is cost per acquisition. So this is something on the side of your Fiverr business that you can be doing to make passive income. So you could be doing gigs for customers on Fiverr, and this could be working on the side, making you money. So cost per acquisition, once you get a lot of traffic, network CPAs are going to contact you. And if you can get your customers to perform a short task, simple task, like filling in their name, maybe their email address, a short survey, maybe their phone number, whatever it is, something small. They're not going to be giving out their credit cards, their credit card numbers, anything like that, not taking out their wallet. But every time they perform one of these tasks, you can get 50 cents to $2 for them doing that. That's right, guys. So the more base, the more subscribers, the more traffic you have, the more subscribers, basically, the more that you can make on this. So this is showing you how you can do this. And the special secret sauce part of this is the traffic sources. They're kind of underground sources that a lot of people don't utilize. It's going to show you how you can do that. So that's why it is a CPA secret sauce, okay? And guys, so if you click on any of these, it's going to take you to the sales page. And then when you click on that button, it's going to take you to the Warrior Plus, and it's going to look like this. And you just press that button there, and you will receive my bonuses. You'll receive the Fiverr Profits Academy, and you'll be ready to go, ready to learn, ready to start getting traffic, ready to start doing CPA on the side, ready to have a fantastic YouTube channel that's going to be outranking others, how to write headlines that are going to be outranking your competitors. So let's go now to the sales page, guys. So are you stuck in shiny object syndrome with nothing seems to work for you? Finally learn how to become successful online, delivering simple tasks using unique software. Okay, guys, this is a sales video that I'm going to put in the description below with my bonus link, so you can watch this again, or you can just read what I have and you can make up your mind. This is going to also be in there as well, okay? So how can I make a living on Fiverr selling simple services to customers that need them? A Fiverr training course that will actually teach and show you real practical ways to become successful on Fiverr. Not your typical Fiverr product. I am not just showing you how to create a gig on Fiverr. I'm showing you the secret gigs that help me make you be successful day in and day out. It's kind of wordy writing. An actual way to succeed online, okay? So many ways that you can make money online. So selling services or products on Fiverr is a method that all are able to implement and have success. Get my unique gig categories and niches. So most Fiverr courses show you how to set up an account and first gig. But this course is unique because it shares with you the exact gigs that he uses to make bank on Fiverr. Get the tools and software that make selling on Fiverr a piece of cake. So many top selling gigs are successful and worth your time when you have the software, tools, and automation to complete the gig in minutes, not hours, okay? So they're going to show you how you can use the correct software to streamline, get it done fast, and not waste too much time. So unlike any Fiverr courses or training you have ever seen, he will show you exactly which gigs you can easily tap into to start earning today, the exact tools and software he uses to create and deliver gigs to his customers, and how to build your Fiverr empire. Now, with what I've given you as well, you're also going to learn how to create and keep subscribers as well. Okay, guys, so you know this. I've already gone into this. You got the 20 videos, gig research, the tools and software, the gig image, the gig promo video, all my successful gigs revealed, okay? So that's all going to be in here for you. All right, so guys, here's his earnings, his net income, so over $8,000. And here's his analytics. So from last year, you can see in July, he was really cranking it out. And then this year in March and April, also cranking it out. So he's done very well. This is something that he's done on the side, okay? Okay, so yeah, he's been in this for a long time. He knows how to teach. He knows what you need to know. Here he is, David Mills, guys. So let's just go back and summarize. My bonus page, like I say, comes down on July 22nd. You're going to get all of this plus my bonuses. And just to summarize, you're going to get 20 HD videos, the gig research, the tools and software, the gig image, the gig promo video, and all his successful gigs revealed to you. So you can take this knowledge and you can be profitable on Fiverr. And also, when you watch these bonuses, when you take action on these bonuses, you're going to be propelled even faster. You're going to have more knowledge. You're going to have the CPA, so you can make money on the side as well. And guys, this wraps up my video, my review on Fiverr Profits Academy. I want to thank you for your time. I hope you got some value from this. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, and thank you again for your time. This is Kieran Guy Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips, signing off. Thank you very much.